we passed the TSA. It's nice that in Minneapolis we don't have so many people, and there is a lot of inconvenience because you're coming from Minnesota during the winter. Look, like I have a coat, I have boots, and just a lot of extra stuff. I'm glad that I don't need this in Miami. It's 2 p.m. The flight got delayed like always because that was not the morning flight, but we had a really good time. We checked the emails, we had a lot of great conversations with Ed, our video guy, and now it's time to go back to Miami. We'll see you in Miami. All right, we made it. The flight got delayed by 2 hours. And the good news, I don't need my fur coat anymore. I don't need my boots because it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 28 degrees Celsius. It's warm, it's nice, and we're going to have a dinner. I'm going to see my kids. I was away for almost a week, and now I cannot wait to see my kids, see my wife, and get my flip-flops. What more? All right. So the key when you arrive is to go not to arrivals, but to go to the departures. And that will be much faster because so many cars come into arrivals, and that's our hack. We always go to departures, which is one level up. So let's go. Приветик.
Свитерок не пипец.
Где ты там была так долго? Эй, приветик. Здорово. Привет. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday. It's my day to drop off my youngest son to school, and this is one of my non-negotiable. I want to drop him to school, but bring him to school at least twice a week or more. So I drop him to school, and that also disciplines me.
They love you.
Пока, love you too. To go to gym or to play tennis. So this is a tennis court. I love Coral Gables because everything is so close. You don't need to drive. I could probably walk here. It would have taken me 10 minutes to come to this court. We have coaches here, and you pay $25 and you can play pretty much every day, including Saturday and Sunday. So that's very exciting, and that's a nice way to start the day. Today is December 17th. It's cold in Minnesota and it's really warm here in Florida, a little bit chilly based on Florida lifestyle, but in reality it's warm, like what the weather is. 73 degrees. Really nice weather, perfect time to start the day with playing tennis. So see you on the court. Right, wow, that was a really good start of the day. Cardio in the morning, tennis with a lot of great people, and we're 1 hour behind Minnesota, so it's still like 8 a.m. in Minnesota, 9 a.m. in Florida. I'm going to shower and then I will walk to the office. All right, it's 10 a.m. Eastern time, 9 a.m. Central time. We work pretty much on Minnesota time. I just had a huddle. We operate on traction EOS, and every team member in the morning joins the huddle. And either you participate in a huddle or you lead. So I lead the leadership huddle. We have about 8 to 10 people on a huddle. And then after our huddle, head of departments will have their own huddle. So what we cover during the huddle? Number one, every person has a key number to report. Example, on the disposition side, we want to understand how many purchase agreements signed. On acquisition side, we want to understand how many houses we purchased, and marketing reports on leads, how many leads we received. And so we want to keep this huddle enthusiastic, high energy, and it's very, very important to keep it on time. Start on time, finish on time, because I love to tell that if you're on time, you're late. If you're before time, you're on time. Usually huddle takes about 5 to 10 minutes maximum, but we don't do any micromanagement. I meet with our executive team in the morning. It takes 5 to 7 minutes on average. And after 5 to 7 minutes, we understand the numbers. Also, people report if they have any roadblocks. And if there are any roadblocks, we can resolve all the roadblocks right away. We don't need to wait for the reports. I also don't do any one-on-one meetings scheduled. I hate those meetings because I think it's a waste of time. Every person who reports to me send a written report, executive update with the highlights of last week and the plan for the next week, and if they have any executive asks. And if I feel that they need to realign the priorities, or if someone has roadblocks, I will schedule a meeting or I'll give a call, because I don't want it to slow down people. And I also found that those meetings most of the time unproductive, and this way this specific updates we almost came. This is actually our office building. Took me 5 minutes to come from my home to my office. This is a really good place, Bouchon, in a historic building, La Palma, French bistro, really nice one. So once again, huddle in the morning, 10 minutes, and now I'm going to work on my OKR, objective and key results, to make sure that everyone's finishes before the end of the quarter, and I have my own OKRs. That's the most important objectives for the quarter. And if you have many priorities, that means that you have none. So ideally, as a company, we need to have 3 to 5 maximum priorities as a corporate, because there are so many priorities and so little time. We have here about 5 people total in this location. It's Miami. We don't have any operation here in terms of buying homes. We do hard money loans here, and we do marketing. All right, well, it's time to go to the office, and I like to come through this door. It's a side door. I like this building because everything is in Coral Gables. Really beautiful, because they say city beautiful. Coral Gables has a lot of European architecture, and I like that. Good morning. How was your day today? All right, well, now I have to do some work. I'll see you guys shortly. All right, it's 1 p.m., lunchtime, and what is the best way to spend time during your lunch? You can dance. And this is a dance studio here in Coral Gables, and my wife and I, we're taking classes here. So 30 minutes break, and let's go.
Hello everybody, if you're in the Miami area and you're in Coral Gables, come check out the Fred Astaire Dance Studio. It's a great place to network, have fun, be social, and healthy.
Wow, that was not the typical lunch break. It's really hard to remember all the moves, but at the end of the day, listen, like, we had a lot of laughs and we enjoyed the time with my wife. We're still learning. It's not easy, but we loved it, absolutely.